All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Always turn off and eliminate power to your appliance before any repairs. This is the same process for both the top oven glass door seal and the bottom oven glass door seal. Remove the screw found on either side of the door. Remove the plastic trim. Don't worry if the fixing brackets fall out, but keep those, the trim and the screws to one side. Remove the glass door seal that needs replacing. To install the new glass door seal, attach it as shown, making sure it's sitting flush with the glass. When attaching the fixing brackets to the plastic trim, make sure they're the correct way round, with the hole that goes into the plastic trim not having any thread, the hole that's left for the screw doing so. Make sure the new seal is correctly on the glass when reattaching the plastic trim. Rescrew the screw on either side of the door. And that's it, your new oven glass door seal is all set to go.